Hi, boys and girls. I know this is the first time that I've put my face up on your guys' screen, but I wanted you to be able to kind of hear and see as I walk through how to find the information that I need to. So I am on my first paragraph right now, or my first paragraph slide. I was here, and this has the questions I need to find just a little bit bigger. But I'm going to go over here, and it says who found it. So the one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to google.com, and I'm going to look up, well, how was Earth discovered? Now, remember, we said that we're not going to be typing in questions anymore. So I really need to think, what do I need to know? So, people who discovered Earth. Now, that is not a question. That is a statement. So we have who figured out Earth was round. Galileo. He's pretty cool. Who discovered the Earth? Hey, this is pretty. This looks like a good one. Now I'm gonna click and I'm gonna go in here. This was written in 2009 when I was first asked the question, "Who discovered Earth?" So I thought it was ancient times. People thought, no. I don't think I'm gonna use that one because that sounds like it's a bit of a blog. I'm going to go through this and I'm going to look. No. The sun is a star. Well, that doesn't help me. Oh, who discovered each planet? Huh. Okay, that might be something I can use. Now, for you guys, you'll probably be able to find this information a lot easier than what I'm able to find it, just because, like I said, it's hard to know who discovered Earth because, well, the Earth's always been around as long as there have been people on it. So I'm going to just kind of go through this, and it looks like I've got some information. Ooh, Pluto! I like Pluto. I miss Pluto. Huh. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just, use kind of an educated guess and say that no one really found Earth. No one found Earth because we live on Earth. It's been here as long as we know. I don't think anyone really just went ahead and said, hey, we live on a place called Earth. Well, yeah, we live on that. That's going to be a little bit more complicated. So that's probably when you guys are going to start also looking it up. If you go to different websites, when you find who discovered your planet, you're also going to find when it was discovered. So, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say people who discovered Earth. Earth was discovered. I'm going to say when they noticed that there was a solar system, okay, because that's going to be pretty important when it comes to Earth, because how did they realize that Earth was part of a planet? So Earth becomes a planet. Gonna go. I don't know how to. I don't want to make that. Ooh, hey, look, I'm getting tiny. Okay, so when the solar system that's a lot of information. Is Earth a planet? Oh my gosh, some people. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. This is kind of where the exploring comes in. Okay, so I'm going to look into some different things. I really like to look at NASA because, well, NASA's going to know a lot about that place that we call space. And so here it's going to give me some information. And our home planet is the third from the sun. Hey, that's something I didn't know. Actually, I did know that. Wait, yeah, I did. And the only place we know of that's inhabited by living things, while Earth is only the fifth largest planet. I did not know that. It's the fifth largest planet. It's not the biggest, though. And so by Venus. Please keep in mind that I am reading all of this. I am not just sitting here pulling out things and all that. Oh, hey, this is information I can use. It says the name Earth is at least 1,000 years old. All of the planets except for Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is Germanic word which means the ground. I didn't know that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that down, how it was discovered, because I may not be able to say how exactly Earth was found, but I can at least write down that the name Earth, name Earth is 1,000 years old. It means ground. It's not after a god. I'm going to go and say how it was discovered. I'm going to say people look down. Now, this may not be a fact that I use because it's a bit snarky, but they looked at the ground and they said, "Oh, look, it's Earth." And it literally means ground, which I think is actually kind of funny. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to look at some different, what's terrestrial mean? Oh, huh. I'm going to type in Earth's name. I like learning a little bit more about how its name got created. It's a little bit different for me because, well, like I said, people look down. Let's see. I don't like that one. I don't think that that's very reliable. Ow. Oh, I like this. Who named Earth? Oh my gosh. I hope one of you guys knows CPR. Ow. Ooh. Who's responsible for the name of our home planet? Person who named, oh my gosh, I think I really hurt myself. Who named Earth Earth? How hard is it to find this person? You can see that just for one of my paragraphs, I probably typed in 6 or 7 different things. Apparently no one knows, probably because they've been calling it Earth since, people wore little skirts and white and were Romans and did stuff. You'll learn about that in 6th grade, I promise. I think so. The answer is we don't know. Oh. Well, bad words. But even though we don't know, that's still a fact that I can make sure that I talk about, is we don't know who named it. We don't know who. We know how they named it the ground. We don't know when. We know it was at least 1,000 years ago. And how was it discovered? Well, people look down. Yeah. I'm sorry. Miss Elliott can be a smart aleck, but I'm funny. Okay, so that is my first paragraph. Obviously, I have just a couple words written here. I'm going to eventually take these small pieces of information and I am going to extend it and grow it and turn them into complete sentences. But for the planning process, I don't need to do that right now.